So I heard some flapping in here, and something is in the chimney. So I took all the fire stuff out and put a laundry basket in there, a mesh laundry basket. And let's see what we got. Hey buddy, you're having a bad day, aren't you? And not a good day for you. Oh, you got a long beak there too. I don't recognize what kind of bird you are. Let's see if we can get you out here safely and securely. Alright buddy. This is probably going to freak you out and probably freak me out. Hey buddy, you safe in there? Yeah, you're grabbing the edge, I see. Okay, you're not happy, I can tell. I know you're not. Let's see how safe we can get you out of there. Get you back with your family. Now what I would like for you to do is not flap around or freak out. So far so good. No. I just need to close the top. Oh, okay, look at this. Going good. There we go. No, just whatever you do, do not come out the top. There we go. I'm sorry, I know it's squishing you a little bit, but it's all fabric. You'll be safe and happy in just a minute. Okay. So let's get you outside. Get the door open here. Alright, oh look at that, you smell some air? It's okay, alright, hold on, relax. Here we go. Now open it up, and your day's going to be a lot better. Hey, look at that! Alright! You're welcome.